They're all over your feed for a reason. Acoustic panels like these are the latest interior design obsession, and not just for how they look. People are raving about how they feel. DECKO Soundscape panels turn any space into a calm, high-performance zone. And yet, they look pretty amazing too. In this video, we're going to break down what acoustic panels are, why they matter, and how DECKO Soundscape panels can completely transform the way your room sounds, well, and looks. We'll also cover what they're not, so you know exactly what to expect, whether you want a quieter home, a professional workspace, or a media room with crisp sound. You want to stick around for this. Most people think acoustic panels are about soundproofing, but here's the truth. They don't block sound entirely. They absorb sound. It's a big difference. When sound hits a hard surface, like walls, it bounces, causing echoes, noise to build up, and that hollow feeling. DECKO Soundscape panels are designed to absorb up to 80% of that echoing sound, meaning less echo, better conversation, and more privacy. Let's talk materials. Our panels are made from an MDF core with a teak wood veneer that's extended over all three visible sides with that premium finish. This is an innovative, sustainable material made from real plant cellulose, polyester resin, and composite reinforcement. That gives you a realistic wood look and feel without the environmental guilt. The backing is made out of a black PET felt, so no harsh chemicals, and it's 100% recyclable. Available in 4 finishes: maple, oak, ebony, and beech. They add a sleek modern touch to any space. They hide imperfections on the walls, create texture, and make your room feel polished and sophisticated. And here's the bonus. They actually increase the value of your home. They're a functional and modern upgrade that appeals to potential buyers. You don't need to hire anyone. These panels are designed for DIYers. Installation is quick and easy with adhesive and black drywall screws. Just apply glue to the back and screw them directly onto the wall. For better soundproofing, you can even mount them on a simple frame. Want a temporary setup? Use Velcro tape on the wall and then stick the panels on via their felt backing. This is a perfect weekend project to upgrade your space without the mess or cost of renovations. A lot of people ask, will they stop the noise coming in and out of the room? Well, the answer is not exactly. Acoustic panels are not designed for full soundproofing. They won't completely block external noise, but in most cases, you will notice a 10 decibel reduction depending on the room and installation. What they do incredibly well is reduce internal echo and sound reflections, making your space sound clearer, more balanced, and more controlled. This is especially important for home offices, media rooms, music rooms, content creators, or anyone who wants a better focus, more privacy, and an overall calmer environment. Don't miss out on the latest and greatest in home improvement with DECKO. If you want to learn more, shop the full range. Click on the link in the description, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY home improvement tips.